I picked up one of these Merlin quick connects for the air tools. It's been a long time since I've had some of these, and I've been stealing them out of tools and using them on other tools, so I finally bought some. These are 20 bucks, which it was 20 bucks, but at least I got them, right? So these are at Harbor Freight. All right, first up, got one of these orbital sanding discs, or sander, I bought a long time ago. And this is nice. I think I'm gonna be able to use this pretty soon. Some of the projects with a CNC plasma cutter. These are a 9/16 knot here. They already have sealant on them. You just gotta make sure they're tight. I got the red one because red's my favorite color. So I just got one of these Tecton air hammers. It's not a big one, but it does work, and there's times that I've needed it and wasn't able to use it. So clean all the, I don't even know what this is, old spider web and insects down in there. Put this back. This is going to be way out of focus. This does work for hammering on stuff. I did make sure these were compatible with the other air fittings I had. That's kind of why I didn't buy them a long time ago, because some of my other stuff is already like mix match, and I didn't want to have to spend a whole bunch of money just to go with one. So I was hoping these would work, and they do. So air hammer. Last up, the bearings in this thing are cooked. I've used it a long time, but it works good for like small stuff. And I've never thrown it away. I bought this from Harbor Freight a long time ago, and used it mostly when I was building the white S10. Used it on paint, getting little rust holes and stuff, which probably should update this sometime, but it just works. It's just the bearings are shot in it. I can get back together now. There you go. It's just the bearings are shot in it, but once you get them going, they usually got to tighten this little packing nut right here. But I should get that greased pretty soon. So there's that. All right, made this little air tool holder and the plasma cutter here. This was my dad's from years ago that he gave me. I used my other one, but it still comes in handy. This bigger one we're gonna put down here. And then this one's kind of awkward, so I think we'll leave that one right there. But here we go, quick little vid. All the silver ones are ones I usually use. So, thanks for watching.